Hello and welcome to my e-commerce website design tutorial. In today's video, you're going to learn how to build an e-commerce website just like the one you are seeing on screen. Before we start this tutorial video, who is this video for? Well, if you're a complete beginner and know nothing about building a website, this video is still for you because everything is going to be beginners based to advanced level. We're going to be building this whole website using the #1 page builder, Elementor. Elementor is a page builder we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. So if you know how to drag and drop things, then you should be in position to building your own website without hassle. We're going to also be using WordPress to build our website. Now, WordPress powers more than 455 million active websites online. So let me take you to Google and show you the numbers. Now go to Google and type. So when you type WordPress powers how many websites, you can see the numbers for yourself. You can go ahead and read more about this, but the truth is that WordPress powers a lot of websites on the internet. Now, talking about percentage base, WordPress powers up to 43% of the whole websites online or active websites online today. Now, WordPress is always up to date. That means they keep on developing WordPress, maintaining it, and it's a trusted content management system. Now, WordPress for short is a CMS, and that is content management system. It's a system we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. Enough of the talking. Let me show you what is on the website and what you can expect to learn from this course. So customers will land on your website and then shop for products on your store. So they can select their preferred product and then add the product to cart. So they just click on it, add to cart, and this product will be added to cart. They can go on top here and then view the cart and view cart. So after they click on view cart, it will take them to a checkout page. So this is the cart and this is the item in the cart, and this is the item we just added. Now you can create coupon codes and give to your customers. That way they come back shopping for more. Now customers can increase the quantity of products they want to shop. So let's say they want to buy 3 products, and after that they click on the update cart. So they will click on update cart and the price will be updated based on the quantity of products they choose. And you can see the price has been updated. They'll click on proceed to checkout, and this will take them to a payment system where they can pay you directly through your website. Now this money will be coming straight or directly to your packet. That means you're not sharing this money with anyone except for the payment processes. So you can enable your own preferred payment method, your choice. So here we have bank transfer and a cash on delivery. Okay, so I'll click on cash on delivery and then click on place order. So after I click on place order, after entering my details, because I've not filled my details here, then the order will be created and you get a notification telling you that someone has created or purchased your products. Now you get email notifications. Now let me show you how customers dashboard is going to look like. So this is how your customers dashboard will look like. They can see their dashboard, general overview, and when I click on order or they click on orders, this is where they'll see all their orders, the orders they made on your website. And right now there's no order made yet. Now if a product is a digital product or a downloadable product, this is where they see it. They can update their addresses, their account details, and then log out of the system. Okay, So this is where they add their billing address. So they can click here and add their billing address. Now customers can also click on shop and go to your shop and see all the products you have available on this website. So after they click on shop, it will take them to a shop page just like this, listing all your products just like this. And currently I have only 8 products on the website. They can see products that are on sale. You can see that. They can add them to cart and do whatever they want to do with it. Now let's see how a single product will look like. So let's click on a single product like this. And this is how a single product looks like. So every product has an image just like this, and to the right you can see the product title. So let's say an Android phone, okay, with the price, and beneath you can see some short description about the product, okay, and below they can add the product to cart, increase the quantity, and you can see this product is under Android category. If I click on Android, it will take me to a category listing all Android phones. So that's good. And when creating a website like this, you need to categorize your products. Now scrolling down, you can see a long description of your product as well as reviews. So after a customer makes purchase, he or she can leave a review. So this is a review like this, and then click on submit, and this review will be submitted. Okay, perfect. Now scrolling down, you can see related products to that of the one you are seeing on top here, and that's great. So if you want to learn how to build this amazing website, stay tuned, because I'm going to be walking you through the things you need to get started. If this is your first time seeing one of my tutorial videos, my name is Solomon, and on this channel I help you build websites that can change your life. All my websites, or the websites I teach or I help you build, are money making websites, something like e-commerce website, classified listing website, a learning management system website. You can use this knowledge to build websites for clients and charge them over $600. So if this is your first time and you're not yet a member of the channel, do me a favor by subscribing. That way we will all benefit. We will benefit in such a way that anytime a video like this is released, you are notified, and you then take the decision to either watch the video or just save it somewhere and watch it later. Okay, so I'm excited to see you take this course. Now let's get to the other screen and I'll show you the things you need to get started. Okay, so in order to have a website live on the internet, there are 2 basic requirements we need, and these are hosting account and a domain name. Now, if you don't know what these things are, or this is your first time hearing these terms, please just pause. Let me explain. So when we talk of a hosting or web hosting account, this is where your website is going to live. So the performance of your website would mainly depend or determined by your hosting account. Okay, so the next thing we need is a domain name. So after you get your hosting account, you will need a name, something like your website name.com, youtube.com, google.com. These are called domain names. Okay, so you need to register a hosting account and a domain name. Okay, so in the description of this video, you see a link that will take you to a page just like this. So we're going to be ordering our hosting account and our domain name from this hosting provider. Now, you also need what we call SSL. Nowadays, SSL is mandatory. If you don't have SSL, the website is going to be insecure, okay, unsecured, and your website may not be accepted on search engines like even Google. Okay, and a browser like Chrome will tell you your website is not secured. Very simple. But luckily enough, makeyourhost.com is giving you free SSL, and anytime it expires, it automatically renews it for you. Okay, so scroll down to this part of the page and then click on other hosting. So click on it, and that is our shared hosting. We need a shared hosting plan to continue this tutorial. Okay, so shared hosting is basically it's okay for us. So scroll down after you land on the shared hosting page, and on this part or at this part of the page you can see choose your preferred plan. Now we need Go Basic plan to continue the tutorial. Now let me explain the Go Basic plan. Now with the Go Basic plan, you can only host one website. The website we are building, we need only one space in order to install to have our website up and running. Okay, so it's only one website we are building. But if you think you need up to, or you'll be hosting up to 5 websites, then why not go with the standard package? But for this tutorial, we are using, or we're ordering the Go Basic package from Makeyourhost. Now the next thing is 20 gigabytes. We have 20 gigabyte storage and SSD for that matter. Now let me take you to Google and show you the differences between SSD versus HDD. So SSD versus HDD, and I'll show you the difference. Just stick around and click on images. Perfect. Now let's click on the first image. Fantastic. Now comparing SSD to that of HDD, talking about performance, SSD is always faster than HDD. So if you're ordering web hosting from a hosting provider, remember to check the kind of storage media they are using. Is it SSD, HDD, or what? Okay, so good news, Makeyourhost is offering SSD. You can go with them and a lot of things. And this is also exciting. For the first time, because you're a new client and this is your first time ordering web hosting from Makeyourhost, you will get a free .com domain name. So you'll be registering a domain name for free for the first time. You won't pay for this. Scroll down and click on the other hosting. But remember, your price is locked. So that means even if they are to increase prices next year, you are within the range, or you'll be paying the same amount you paid when you register an account with them, and that's good. So click on other hosting, and you will be redirected to a page just like this. This is where you register your domain name. Okay, so what is the name you want to give to your website? What do you want people to call your website? Okay, something like google.com is a domain name. So this is also your business. What name do you want to give to your website? So maybe let's say your website or your domain name.com. So let's say your website, your site name.com. So let's see. Click on check to see if this domain name is available. Okay, but before that, if you don't want .com, you can go with .net, .org, .biz, .info, .co, .india. You see that? Perfect. But in this tutorial, we are ordering the .com domain, and these things are called extensions. Okay, so click on check, and let's wait to see if this domain name is available. Oh, unfortunately, this domain name is unavailable and we can't register it. That means someone is already using it. Okay, so we have to be creative and enter something unique. Okay, so your site name for tutorials. Okay, or your site name Let's just add 1 2 3 4 to it. Okay, and click on check again to see. So let's wait for it. Okay, so click on check. So it's checking to see if this domain name is still available for us to register. So let's wait for it. Perfect. Now the domain name is available. So this domain name, your site name 1234.com is available. Okay, so just be creative and come up with your own name. This part will not be easy, okay, because a lot of them, it may seem like the domain name you are going after is taken. Okay, so you try it severally to see. So you may enter your name and think it's available, and it may disappoint you. So you go ahead, try it, write your names down, but make sure your name is short. Do not go after long names. Something like this is not good. Okay, so make sure your name is somehow short, because your visitors or your customers will find it easy memorizing it and typing it on search engines or on browser. So if you make it longer, they may not be able to memorize it. Okay, so let's click on continue. After we get our domain name, after we get this green mark, that means it's available. So you click on continue. Perfect. Now we are brought to a page like this, and this is where you can review your package, and we are working with the Go Basic plan, and that's good. Scroll down and you can see the features. Now below you can see that's choose billing cycles. This is where you choose your billing cycle. So you can go with them 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay, but in this video we are choosing the 12 months pricing system. And after that, you scroll down, you can see some additional services offered by Host. The first one happens to be Google tracking. So you can allow Host to integrate Google Analytics on your website. That way you can track your website, where your website traffic is coming from, and target your market, target your audience. So Google Analytics is a powerful tool developed by Google. So if you cannot integrate it, Host can do it for you, one-time fee. So just click on it like this and add it to cart. Okay, but if you don't need it, forget about it. Now the next thing is let Host protect your WordPress website from hackers. Now this website we are building is a WordPress website. Okay, so this will go a long way to save you from hackers. Protect your WordPress website from hackers. Choose that. If you don't need it, forget about it. And the final one is Host will list your website or upload your website to Google. Okay, if your website is not on Google, it does not exist, period. So that is it. If you don't need it or you know how to do it, just forget about it and then click on continue. Okay, perfect. Now we are redirected to a page just like this, and this is domains configuration page. Now below are some domain add-ons. Now the one I will recommend to you is ID protection, because it's going to hide your identity and then protect you, reduce the number of email spam you may get or you get in your inbox. A lot of people go and start spamming you. So click on it and then click on continue. Good. Now this is review and checkout page. Okay, so on this page you can see your package, and then you can edit your plan, edit your services, the items in your cart. Okay, and today I don't have money, so because of that I'll go ahead and edit this and remove this ID protection because I'm broke. So click on edit. Perfect. Now I can remove ID protection like this and then click on continue again. Perfect. Now I've removed ID protection, so that's how you do it. You can also remove items from your cart. Now this is where I'm going to give you the coupon code. So type 250 here and then click on validate code. Perfect. Now you have to thank me because this is a partnership with Bluehost and they are giving you 50% off. But take note, next year you are going to be paying 48, somewhere $50 to renew your hosting, and that will be next year. Okay, but today you are paying 17, almost $18 to get your hosting account and your domain name. Is that not amazing? So if you're not subscribed, please just do a favor by subscribing to the channel. That way it will keep me motivated. All right, so click on checkout. And you are redirected to a checkout page, and this is where you enter your first name, your last name, your password, your company name, street address, city, your country, and most importantly, your password. Now Bluehost, there is a password generator here, so just click on generate passwords like this. Perfect. Now you can increase the strength of your password by somewhere, let's say I want my password to be long, so 30, and then click on generate passwords. Okay, so click here and you can see this long password. You can copy it somewhere, save. So you can click here, copy. After that, click here, copy to clipboard and insert. Perfect. Now remember to save this password somewhere. If not, you'll not be able to log into your hosting account. But you can always reset password. Okay, but it's a good practice to paste this password somewhere like Notepad. Okay, so paste it there, scroll down and then choose your preferred payment method. I like Paystack because it works well for me, but if you don't want that one, you can choose Encrypto, Flutterwave, or Encrypto. This Bitcoin and other. Okay, so I'll choose Paystack, accept your terms, and then click on complete order. So after I click on complete order, my hosting account is going to be created and I will be redirected to my hosting account. Okay, so I will show you, I will place an order and then see you at the hosting area. Okay, the hosting dashboard. So just stick around. Perfect. Now after you place an order and make a successful payment, you will be redirected to a page just like this, and this is your hosting dashboard. Okay, this is where you can manage your hosting and your domain names. So in your case, you should have something like this: one domain and one service. For me, my domain name is an external domain. I'm using it for tutorial purposes, and because of that, you're seeing 0 here, but you should have something like 1 here and 1 here. After you place an order, your domain name will undergo what is called domain propagation. So it may take up to 24 hours for it to propagate. So don't panic if it doesn't work. You can always contact your hosting provider if you do not understand anything. I'm also here on the channel showing you people how to do this kind of things. So you can also contact me. But that will also only be maybe if you have problems. Okay, so contact me. Okay, so now I will be showing you the things you need to know on the hosting account. So to your left, you can see your info. You can click here to update your details. All right, now top here you can see your these services, domain, your tickets, and your invoice. If you have not yet made payment, this is where you see your invoices. Okay, now here you can see your package. If I click on it, it will take me to my hosting package. Okay, So wait, and this is my this is where I see my packages and services, and to your left you can see log into cPanel. Now this is where you're going to be working with. Okay, so this is where we're going to be working with, and this is where your website files are going to be. That's where you see file manager. So click on it, and if you click on it, it will take you to your cPanel. Now let me show you another thing here, very important. You can see add-ons and extra. So maybe during the hosting purchase, when we're purchasing our hosting account, you forgot to add some additional services. This way you can now do that. So you can let Namecheap protect your WordPress website from hackers. So like this, and then purchase and activate. If you forgot to add it, and maybe later you found it necessary to add it, you can find that here. And below are some quick shortcuts to cPanel. Now if you want to create email account, this is where you do it very quickly. So maybe you want to create an email account, maybe support department, so maybe support, something like this, support at your website name.com, and you enter your password here, and then click on create. Your email will be created, and this way you access it. Perfect. So that is it about the hosting account. Okay, in this part of the video, we're going to install and set up WordPress. If this is your first time hearing something like this, WordPress, don't worry, let me explain. Now, WordPress is a content management system, CMS for short. It's a platform or a software we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. Thanks to WordPress, we can now build websites within hours without hassle. Now, WordPress powers more than 455 million active websites online. And talking about percentage, it powers between 37% to 43% of the entire internet. Okay, so let me take you back to your hosting dashboard, and then we install WordPress. Okay, so on your hosting dashboard, you click on services. Now click on your package. After that, to your left, you can see log into cPanel. Click on it. Now this is your cPanel. Okay, so on top here you can see search tools, type software clause. Okay, so software clause, and the first link, click on it. Perfect. Now this is where your scripts are. The first one happens to be WordPress, so click on install. Perfect. Now this is where you set up your installation URL. Okay, which URL or address do you want to install your WordPress on? Please choose your URL or your website address here. Okay, and in this field, in directory, make sure you empty it. Okay, and leave everything as it is. Now scroll down a bit, but here in the protocol, make sure you choose HTTPS. Okay, so click on it and make sure it is HTTPS. If you want, you can also choose HTTPS / www. Okay, you can choose this. You can also choose this, but I will not recommend the HTTP without the S. Okay, so this one. Now your site name, enter your website name here. Okay, for tutorial purposes, I'm going to enter first site. Okay, or first website, or my first website. Now the site description, I'll enter this is my first website. But in your case, you should enter your site description. Okay, now to your right you can see admin account. This is going to be your login details or your login credential to your WordPress dashboard. So make sure you enter a strong admin username and a strong admin password. From there you have admin email. Now enter an email address you have access to, okay, so that anytime you want to reset your password, the confirmation email will be sent to this particular email. All right, I hope it's clear. Now you scroll down a bit, scroll down, and you see install. Click on install, okay, and then scroll back to the top and wait for the installation to reach 100%, and this will take somewhere 3 to 4 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Perfect. Now congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Now the first one happens to be your website URL. Now the second link is your website, your WordPress dashboard, your WordPress admin link. Okay, so you can open these links in new tab. Okay, so you open this link in a new tab and then open this one too in a new tab. Now you go back there and currently this is how your website looks like. It is ugly. Don't worry, we are yet to build it. Okay, now the second link, perfect. Now this is your WordPress dashboard. This is where you're going to be managing your website pages and a lot of things. So in this part of the video I'm not going to show you how to set up your hosting, your WordPress dashboard the right way, and then where to configure what. All right, so first thing we want to do is, you see here screen option, click on it and we want to clear our screen. Okay, these things I don't like it. I want to clear everything so that, so I'll untick, and untick everything. So go ahead and remove that. I don't like seeing these things on my screen. Okay, some of them may be important, but for now I want to make my screen clean so that I can start work. Perfect. Now to your left you can see this black panel with some links or some menus here. Now this is your updates area. So if you have an update, this is where the alert will be displayed. So currently I have one update. Okay, a post. If your website is a blogging site, this is where you create your blog post and do a lot of things. Okay, now media, this is where you see all your files, something like your videos, your audio, your images, and a lot of things here. Now pages, this is where you create your website pages. So we will be talking about that just in a minute, so just bear with me. The next one is comments. Now if your website is something that people will be commenting on, this way you see all the comments. You can approve comments, disapprove comments, delete comments, ban users from commenting. This way you do that. Now appearance, this is where your website design will rely on. Okay, so up until now I've not explained what a theme is, so let me use this opportunity to explain what a theme does on your WordPress website. So when we talk of a theme is nothing but a software that changes the appearance and look of your website. Now let's say you want to build an e-commerce website. You will need a theme that can perform e-commerce functions. Let's say you want to build a blogging website. You may need a theme that will perform blogging functions. So that is theme. Now the next one is plugin. So with plugins, these are also softwares or piece of script that changes the functions of your website. So let's say you want your website to behave in a certain way. You can install a script or a plugin with those capabilities that will give your website that feature. Now the next thing is users. Now if your website accepts new registration, this is where you see all the users. You can add users manually, and then you can see their profile. Then the next thing is tools. For now, let's forget about that one. Now let's go to settings, and this is where you're going to be setting your website. So for now, you can go to general and click on it, and this is where you can set your site title. Okay, so you can enter your site title here. If you don't like it, your tagline, this is your site description, your website URL, your site address, a lot of things here, your admin email address, you can change it. Now if your website is a membership site or is a site that allows people to register account, please make sure you enable this thing. Okay, and then scroll down, you can see user rule. Default user rule is subscriber, you can leave it. Now you can talk of your site language, you can choose that here. Time zone, your date format as well as your time format, and not forgetting of the week start on, so you can choose it here, Monday, Sunday, or okay, and then you remember to save the changes here. Perfect. Now the next thing is writings. For now, let's forget about writings. Okay, now the next important thing is reading. So let's click on reading. Good. Now this is where you assign your home page. Okay, so you can create a page and then assign that page as a home page. For now, we don't have something like that. Okay, so don't worry, but first you enable this and then choose your home page here, and after that you save the changes. So that's where you find that. Okay, now the next thing is discussion. If your website is a blogging website and you don't want people to be able to comment on your site, this is where you can control it. Media and permalink. Okay, so with permalink, let's click on permalink because it is very important. Okay, perfect. Now permalink talks about your website links structure. Okay, now look at this, take a good look at these links. Now the first one happens to be plain. Now if you set this one, your website is going to have some sort of ID attached to it. Now the second one will display your website / the date you created those pages. We don't want that. The next one too is month and name. It will display the month you created those pages. We don't want it. So it's always recommended that you choose post name as it displays your website address / the name of the page. Okay, so this is the best settings, and then you scroll down and then click on save changes. Okay, perfect. Now permalink structure updated. Good. Now we are good to go. So this way you have successfully configured your home page, I mean your WordPress dashboard. So we are now going to begin installing our required plugins and our theme to build our amazing website. Okay, so guys, bear with me. Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. I'm currently working on another video idea, website design idea, that will teach you step by step on how to build your own classified listing website. This video is going to be great. You wouldn't want to miss it. So if you're not part of the family yet, you are going to miss a lot. Why not join the community where I show you different ways on how to build websites for yourself, your business, your clients. That's enough. Let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, I appreciate. Let's install our theme. To do so, you hover on appearance and then click on themes. Before we install our theme, we need to delete these default themes. Okay, so just click on it and then click on delete and click on OK. It's always recommended to have one theme active on the website. Okay, so let's add our theme. So click on add new. And then in this search theme area, type Astra. But because Astra is popular, we are lucky to have it just beneath this page. Okay, so click on install. The theme is installed. So what next? We have to activate it. So anytime you install a theme or a plugin, you have to activate it in order for it to take effect. So you click on activate. Perfect. Now on top you can see get started. Okay, so click on get started, and this is a plugin we are installing called starter templates. Okay, so wait for it to install. Perfect. Now starter template is installed. To your left you can see starter templates here. That means it is installed. Okay, and activated automatically for you. Now the next thing we need to do, or the final thing we need to do on this page, is to delete this default theme. Okay, as I said, we are supposed to have only one theme active on the site. So you click on it, and to the lower right corner of your screen you can see delete. Click on it, and then perfect. Now we have one theme active on the site. Now let's go to plugins, and then we go to installed plugins. Good. Now there are some plugins here we need, default plugins we need to delete. Okay, so first let's click here and then uncheck this one. After that, let's click on bulk action and then click on delete. After that, we click on apply and OK. Good. We deleted them because they came with WordPress and we don't need it. We need our own things. Okay, now on top, and you can see this is the starter template we installed. Now on top, click here. We're going to install another plugin, a page builder called Elementor. Okay, so click on popular. Now because Elementor is also popular, you see it's on this page. Okay, we don't need to go searching for it. So click on install now. After installing it, we have to activate it. So click on activate. Perfect. Now we have two plugins active on the site. Now the next thing we are going to do is to create our homepage. Okay, our homepage and our blog page. All right, so first go to pages and then go to all pages. So click on it. And there are some pages here already created for us. Please, let's delete them. Okay, and then perfect. Now this is a trash. You can go there and restore your deleted pages, but you can also go there to maybe permanently delete them. In this case, we may want to permanently delete them, so you can go there and delete. Now on top, let's add a new page, or you can click here. Now click on top there. and our first page happens to be home. Okay, now let's click here, publish. Okay, so click on publish. Now click on publish and click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's add another page. So this time we're going to add a blog page. Okay, so add new. Now let's enter blog and then click on top here, publish, and click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's exit out of this whole page. So you can click here and then make sure you click here to go outside. Okay, so we are going back. Click again. Perfect. Now our two pages are here. We need to set our home page. Okay, so we go to settings and then go to readings and then click on it. So click on readings. Now this time we want to set our website as a static site, not a blogging website, and because of that we need to click on a static page and then choose our home page as well as our blog page. After that, click on save changes. Perfect. Now our settings have been saved. Now let's go ahead and view our website and see how it is looking currently. So I'll open my website in a new tab. I'll click on it and you can see this is my website, empty, with our pages here or our menus. Don't worry, we are yet to do a lot of things. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard, and this time we're going to all pages. Okay, now you can see this page. Okay, that's the home page. Just click on edit. Okay, so click on edit. Perfect. Now on top you can see edit with Elementor. Just click on it. Fantastic. Now proceed to here. You see this symbol? This is starter template. That's what we installed. Okay, so you click on it. Perfect. Now to your left you can see all. Click on all. Now click on free. Good. Now in order to build your website, because we are building our website without coding, there are some pre-designed templates that we can use and then customize to make it look like ours. And thanks to starter templates in conjunction with Elementor, we can now build our websites without coding. Okay, and these pages are pre-designed and they are ready for us to use. So simply you can click on this plus to preview it, but already it is nice to me. So this is the one we're going to be using, organic store. So click on it. Now because we are on the home page, just look on top here, home. We want to import the home template. Okay, so click on it again. Now you can scroll down and see how it is currently looking. You can see, but we will customize it and make it look like our demo website. So on top you can see import template. Click on import template. Perfect. Template imported. You can see on top, imported. Perfect. Now we're going to customize this page. Okay, so go ahead and click on update. Perfect. All right, so in this part of the video we're going to customize our website, okay, our home page. But first we need to add our menus, just like on our demo website. So we need to add our menus like this and build our navigation bar, okay, just like this, the top bar here. So to do so, you need to go back to dashboard. But first we need to install a plugin called WooCommerce, and WooCommerce is the plugin or the software we will use to set up our store. So go to plugins, click on add new. Now click on popular. Scroll down and you can see WooCommerce. Click on it. Now click on activate. So you click on activate. And we are brought to a page like this. You can set it up, but for now I don't want to set it up, so I'll click on the setup, skip setup store details, and then click on no. Perfect. Now go to your left. You can see this bar, this panel. Now go to pages and click on all pages, and because we have installed WooCommerce, some additional pages will be added, and you can see these are pages created by WooCommerce. So forget installing WooCommerce, these pages are created for us. You can see that. Perfect. Now go to appearance and then go to menus. So we're going to set up our menus. When you go to the demo, our website, you can see that we only have two menus. All right, so go back. This time enter your menu name. So let's say maybe main menu or primary menu, or you can give your menu a name. Okay, so maybe menu 1. Now click on primary and then click on create menu. Perfect. Our menu is created. Click on view all and then click here below, select all, and then click on add to menus. Good. Now let's arrange our menus. Okay, so let's go back to our main website. Okay, so we have home, shop, contact. Let's go back to our menus. So home, shop, so we drag it here. Contact, we don't have contact yet, so forget about it for now. We have about, my account, and blog. So about, we don't have my account here, and blog. And after that we have cart like this, and we have checkout like this. So after arranging these menus this way, you have a drop down. So let's save it and go back to our website and you see what I'm talking about. So let's go back to our website and then reload the page. So let's reload it. And as you can see, our menus are here with our account menu with this drop down. You see that? Perfect. So after that, remember to save the changes, and we have saved the changes already, so no problem. Now next, we need to create our contact page, our about us page, because we have them here. So we have contact, about us. So there are two pages we need to create. So go back to pages, click on add new, and this time let's give it contact. Okay, so contact, click here to publish it and click again. Good. Now let's click on add new page. So click on add new. Perfect. This time let's give our page a name, and that is about us. So about, click on publish here and then click on publish again. Good. Our page is published. Now let's go back because we need to add them to our menus. So go back one level. Perfect. Now this time click on view all and check. You can see about and you can see contact like this. Click here, add to menu. Perfect. Now let's go back to our main website and see. So we have shop, contact, about. So shop, contact, about, then click on save menu. Perfect. Now our menu is saved. Okay, so if you go back to the website and reload it, you should see those two pages we created recently added here, and you can see they are added. We are good to go. The next thing we are going to do is to customize the navigation area. Okay, but first we need to give our website a logo or a name, something like this. So I'm going to give it a name, and that is DR store or Dr. Store. Okay, so let's go back to our main dashboard and then we'll go to customize here. Click on customize. Now you can see site identity. Wait for it. Okay, so you can see site identity. Click on it. You can click on site identity, and here you can upload a logo, and after uploading a logo, the logo will be replaced here. And this is a site icon. Okay, so this is a site icon. This icon will be positioned here, but what I want you to do is site title and logo settings. So click here, Perfect. Now if you want to upload your own logo, this is where you do it and it will come here. But in my case, I don't want to upload a logo. What I want to do is I want to give my site, I want to use I have this name I want to give to my website. So maybe Dr. Store, something like this. Perfect. Now you can scroll down a bit and upload your site icon here if you want to. Okay, and you can click on publish, but for now what I want you to do is click on design and you can see title color. Please change it to white, okay, because I have it here as white. So go back to your customize area and click on white, but because the background is already white, you are not going to see it. Don't worry, we will work on that in a moment. So click on it, and you can also increase its size. So I'm going to increase it to 40 like this and click on publish again. Good. Now click here to go back. So we are done with our working on our logo. The next thing is our main head or the navigation area, the whole thing. So what you need to do is you go to transparent header, so you click on it, and then on top here you see this, enable it. Perfect. Now after enabling it, you see design, click on design, scroll down a bit and you can see background overlay. Click on it, and this time we're going to give our website some color, and our navigation color, a background color of blue. So come back there and then choose your blue. Okay, so I'm going to pick a color here and then choose my blue. Now, but after choosing your blue, you can see that your logo is now clear because the background is blue. But here we now have a case where, or we have a problem where our menus are not clear. Don't worry, we can still work on the menus. Okay, so after publishing it, scroll down a bit and you can see menu color. Click here and then choose your menu color as white. After that, scroll down a bit and you can see site sub menu color. Now you need your sub menu color because after hovering, when you hover on your my account page, and because we have these as sub menus, you are not seeing it because the color right now is white. So this is our sub menu, so we need to work with it at this part of it, of the screen. So this is the sub menu area, and this is where you control the color. Now the text color itself, we want the text color to be white, and then we want the background color to be like the one we have on the navigation area. So click on the background color like this and then choose our blue color and then select it, publish it, and after you publish it, you have to reload the page. But let's see if it works. And you can see just like that, it has worked, and you can see our menus is now clear. So that's how you work on your navigation area. We are done customizing our navigation. The next thing is to work on our home page. Okay, the home page itself. All right, so to customize your home page, you need to go back to dashboard because we need to edit our page with Elementor. So click here to go back, and here we are. Now make sure you go to pages because we need to customize our home page. So go to all pages, click on it. Now this time we are looking for home page, and here is it. So right click on it and then open it in a new tab. So let's wait for the Elementor page builder to load up so that we can edit this page with Elementor. Okay, so just wait for it. And this is Elementor. Welcome to Elementor. In this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to customize your website using Elementor. So let's go back to our main website and then take inspiration from that, because we're going to be using this as a reference point. So go back to the Elementor page builder like this. Now you can see that on top here you have your text to the left of the screen and you have this image to the right. So this is what we are going to do. So go back here and then you can see this column thing. Click on it, hold it and drag it to the left, and you can see automatically the left image has been repositioned to the right hand side. So leave it there. Just leave your mouse. Perfect. Now next we need to delete this flower thing here. So we need to right click on it, blue, you can see delete it. Fantastic. Now you see here we need to remove our image. So right click on it, you can see this pencil, right click and then click on delete. Fantastic. So we have deleted that image completely. Next is our image, the image we have here. So go back to the site and on top here you see these 6 dots. Okay, so that's the edit section area. Click on it. Perfect. Now go to style, scroll down and you can see overlay. Now we don't want to add an overlay to our website. What we need to do is to upload a background. Okay, so on top you can see background, but first you need to remove this overlay thing here because there's an image or a little flower here, so we need to delete it. So click here to permanently delete that. Good. Now on top you can see background, click on background. Now after clicking on background you can click here to remove the color completely. So we want to remove this white color completely. Perfect. Now here you can see classic, click there and you have an option to upload an image. So click here. Now I have my image downloaded on my PC, so I'll have it uploaded. So I'll click on upload and then click on select, but make sure your image is, you have removed the background. Okay, so remember to remove the background. So I'll upload that image. Now click on insert media. Good. Now we have uploaded the image, but there's a problem here. So we need to position this image. So we need it to be at the bottom right. So something like this. Perfect. But there's also another problem. It is small, so we need it to cover at least the whole page. Okay, so come here, you can see this repeats. Sorry, that's size, and you can see cover. Click on cover. Perfect. So literally we have uploaded our image and we have also enlarged it. Okay, so you can click on update and then we preview our website and see how it is currently looking. Perfect. Okay, so let's preview the site, reload it. And you can see currently This is how the image looks like, or the hero area looks like. Now our image is kind of pushed to the top, and we need it to come down a little bit, just like this. Okay, so to do so, we will change the cover. So from cover, we need to change it to at least something like maybe contain, and then let's update. Good. Now let's go back to the site, reload the page again. Perfect. So we needed to set it to contain. Okay, that works best because the image is a little bigger. Okay, so contain will work fine for you guys. So after changing it to contain, it should work fine for you. Now let's go back to this website, and you can see there's a little bit overlay color, some white. So you go back to that page you're editing, scroll down, you can see overlay, click on overlay, and after you click on overlay, make sure you choose white. And after choosing your white, you see opacity, you can increase it. Okay, you can increase it or decrease it like this, and that's the opacity of the background image. But in our case, our background overlay is a little bit bluish. Okay, it's bluish, not white. Okay, so we need something like blue. So let's go back there, change the white, and that's the background overlay, and then choose something like this. Okay, and you can play with it. You can play with it, and I think this spot is okay for me. All right, because it looks similar to this, and this is okay. Perfect. So leave it here, and then play with the opacity. You can see that. So play with the opacity. This makes it darker. You see that? But I think this spot is okay for me. So next, what we need to do is to work. So let's work on the text here. Okay, so click on the text, and then you change your text color, and let's see the color we have, and it is this one. So we come back and then change it to that color. So click on style, click on this color, and then choose your color, drag it to the area you want, choose your preferred color. Good. Next is our heading, and that is, we need to remove it and enter something like best online shopping site. It's okay, so let's say shopping site. To make it visible, click on style, scroll down a bit, you can see content. You can see this color, click on it, and this time we want to choose something like this or this. Okay, perfect. You can always manipulate with your overlay, okay, if you think it's not attractive in the eyes. So leave it as it is. And next is our description, our small description here. So let's go back there and then manipulate with our description. So you scroll down a bit, click, and then choose black because it is pure black. Okay, now after that, please let's go back and change our overlay. Let's reduce the opacity. So scroll down a bit, click on overlay, and let's reduce the opacity. So I think this is okay, because first it was too dark. Okay, so I think this 26, 27 is okay like this, and then you can save changes. Now it is looking good. Next is our button. So click on the button or the pencil here. After that, you can change your shop now to something, anything you want, and you can link it to your shop page. So you can link it to your shop page here. So after you type shop, it will pull the pages you have at the back end, and we want to select the shop. So click on shop, and automatically it is filled for us. Instead of us going back to the dashboard, copy our page and come and paste it here, we can just type the name of the page and it will be prompted here. You can select it just like that. Good. Now the color of the button, so click there, and let's see the color we have here, and it is this orange color. So we go back to the editor, and then we change this color to this. Good. Now remember to update the changes. Perfect. Now scroll down a bit and you can see this area of the side. So we need to change this area to look something like this. To do so, you need to change the background color of this one. So you go back here, click on the edit section thing here, these 6 dots, and then on style, click on style. Now you see color here, click on color and then choose your preferred color. In my case, I want to choose this color. All right, so something like this is okay for me. Go ahead, play with it. Perfect. Next, we need to work on the little cards you have. So these 4 cards, we need to work on them. So go back. So what we need to do is to click on, let's clear that. So let's click on this edit column thing and then click on style. Now let's click on this color thing, but first we need to remove the background overlay because it is using a background overlay of black. So click here and then remove the background overlay completely like this. After that, go back to the top. You see background, click on background, click on color and then choose your black color. So you do the same thing to the rest of them. So click here, style. You can remove your background overlay first or upload or choose your color first before removing the overlay. So let's choose our black color first like this, and then come down and remove the overlay. Whichever way you do or you prefer, it will work. So now remove the overlay completely and it still works. But before we go, let's just edit this. So we want to remove this organic thing here, the word organic, and leave only certified. Okay, click here, go to style, choose your black or your own color. In my case, I've picked black just like we have here, and then go to overlay, background overlay. So you click here and then clear your overlay, your background overlay. So you clear it, and finally this one. So you click here, go to style and then give it a color of black. Now let's go to background overlay. Let's clear this overlay thing. Clear. Perfect. So we're done working with the 4 cards and the background. Next, we need to work on this part of the page. So the first one will be, let's go back to my original website and scroll down a bit, and you can see recent products. So go back there and we will change this title to recent products. So we remove this and put recent products. After that, we click on top here so you click there and then you change the color to blue. Okay, but let's see first if it is blue. Sorry, let's change it to white. So we change it to white like this, and then click on the pencil again. So click on the pencil, make sure you click on advanced, scroll down a bit, and then you see background. Click on classic, click on color, and then choose your color. So we want to give this portion of it a different color, and that is something like this. Okay, like this. Good. Now let's delete this flower. So right click on it and then click on delete. Next, we need to paste some code here. Okay, so we need to paste a code, and anytime a recent product is added or a new product is added to the website, it will be displayed here, and that is the recent product. So I have a code in the description, so make sure you copy that code. Okay, it's actually a file. Download the file, and then after opening the file, you see this code. Okay, paste the code here. So after pasting the code there, it will start displaying recent or recently added products. Okay, next we need to duplicate this section, because when I take you to the website like this, you can see recent products, and after the recent products, just beneath you can see featured products. So go back there, and on top you can see this edit section thing. Right click on it, and then you can see duplicate. Click on duplicate and it will be duplicated. The next one, we need to change it from recent to featured. Okay, so click on it like this, and to your left you can see title, enter featured. Okay, so featured products, and below you can see this code thing here. Just click on it and then remove the code that is there. Again, go back to the document and copy the featured products code from WooCommerce. So you copy it and then you paste it here like this. In case you want to add your own code field, you click on this 9 dots like this and then type code. Okay, so or short code. So short code, you can see short code, drag it and drop it to the area you want. So assuming we want to leave it here, so after you paste it there, you can see to your left there's an area for you to enter your code. So that's how come that area is there. So I'll click or press Ctrl and Z to undo these changes. Perfect. Next, let's go back to the website and see what is there. Currently we don't have, I have 0 products on the website, and that's why you're seeing nothing on the home page. Okay, you won't see any products until I start adding products. So go back there and scroll down. You can see this area, and that is the categories section. So the first category is Android, tablets, iPhones. You can go ahead and enter your own categories, okay? But for tutorial purposes, let me enter my own categories. So to do so, I'll have to click, first of all, delete this image of leaf, or let's call it a flower. So I'll right click on it, that pencil, and click delete, and that is deleted. So to add something like this, like categories, you simply have to click on this plus, click on starter templates. After that, you click on the block, after click on block, guess to your left, you can see this particular image. Click on it. After that, on top, you can see import block. Wait for it to load. And after it loads, click on the import block and wait for it. It will import this whole section and paste it on your page. Okay, now what you need to do is to scroll down a bit, and you can see this is the section. Okay, good. Now scroll down a bit and then delete this one. Okay, so you delete this one, this particular section. So you click here to delete it. Perfect. Now we need to upload our own images, but before that we can add our buttons here. So to add a button, just below you can see button. Click and hold, drag it to this area and drop it. Do the same thing, but before that, let's just customize it. So to customize it, you need to change, click here to shop now. Okay, or let's see, okay, shop now. So let's go there, change it, shop now. Now link it to your category page. So let's click on this feature 1 and then enter something like Android. So Android, but in your case you may want to enter your own categories. So something like men's product or watches. So you can enter something like this. Let's see, watches or men's products. But for tutorial purposes, I'm entering Android phones like this. And after that, what I will do is, you see this align, I want to align center, because let me take you back to the website. You see that it is currently aligned center. So go back there and you can see center. Now on top you can see this pencil. Click on the pencil. You can see this image. Click here to choose your image. And because my category is Android, I'm looking for Android phone. Unfortunately, I don't have products here. So what I'll do is I'll upload my product images here onto the page. So let me take you to desktop and upload all my products onto the website. So I'll go to here and then go to images, and then go to product images and copy everything here. Click on open, and all these products will be imported onto the website. Okay, and they are all important. And because my internet connection is fast today, you can see they are importing in real time. So let's wait for it. Perfect. Now all the products are imported. Now let's choose our image now. So we click on this image and then click on insert. And this image will be inserted onto that part. You can see that. Perfect. Now the next thing is our button. So click on the button like this. After you click on the button, you can see align. Click on center. After you click on center, you can see this area, icon spacing. You can space it the way you want it. And here you can see icon library. On top, type arrow. Okay, so arrow like this. You can see this arrow. Click on arrow. Click on insert. Now you can see there's an arrow here. Now make sure you click on icon position and click on after. Next, we need to change our color. So click on style. Click on the color. And then this time let's choose our color. And then we pick it like this. Perfect. So let's continue. But first, let's go back to content and then see, and our icon spacing is 15. So let's keep it at 15. Okay. So next, we go to the next category. Click on this pencil and you can see this image. This time we want to choose, let's say, iPhones. So we choose our iPhone. Click on insert media. Perfect. Now here you can see this feature 2. Click on it, the text, and on top, but make sure you align it center. On top, click here, change the color to this. But here we forgot to change the color, so go back there, click on it, and then change the color. Okay, so change the color to this, something like this. Perfect. Now what next? Now let's go back to where our second category. So here we are. The next thing is our button. So but before that, let's change it to iPhones. So go to content and then something like, let's say, iPhones. Good. Now our button. So you can simply duplicate this button to help speed up the process. To do so, you see this pencil, right click on it, see duplicate, click on duplicate. Perfect. Now you see this pencil, click on it, hold, drag it to this portion of the website, the web page, and where you want it to be, just leave it there. Perfect. So this will help us speed up the whole process. The same thing, you can click on it and then click on duplicate like this. So click on duplicate, and there are 2. Click on it, drag it, and drop it to the part you want it to be. In my case, I want to leave it here, so leave it there. but you can see it is pushed to the top. So let's see if you can send it back a little bit. And right now we can't do that. This is because we have not yet uploaded the image. So let's upload the image and see if it will push it backwards. So let's go back and then click on image, and this time we're choosing, let's say for tutorial purpose, let me just pick this one or this one. Okay, so let's just pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one and then click on insert media. Let's wait for it. And as you can see, it is working fine because the image has the proper height, and because of that it has pushed everything back, and you can see everything is looking fine now. To your top you can see feature tree. Click on it and then here remove it and change it to your own text. So let's say this is tablet, so let's just assume this is tablet. So tablets, and you see here, center it, and on top click on style, choose your text color, and then this time let's choose this color, drag it there, and perfect, we are done. Okay, but remember to link to those categories. So just click on the link like this, the button, and to your left you can see content. After you click on content, let's click on it once again. Okay, so click on the pencil. Good. Now you can see a link here. Link it to your, maybe your shop page or your category page. So let's say you have a category page, so you can just type category or any product you want. You can type that product here and it will come. Okay, you can also go to your front end, copy the category link and paste it here. Okay, in my case I want to link it to maybe shop page, so shop, and that page is here. I can click here to link it there directly. Okay, so that is it. And after that, remember to click on update. Now let's scroll down. We're moving forward. So next is this area, and when we go back to the original website and scroll down a bit, but our button colors are actually blue, but it doesn't matter. Okay, you can do that for yourself now. So be creative and do your own things. Okay, so let's continue. Now this part of the website, we need to give it an orange color. So we go back to the editor, I'll click here and then give it, so click on style, click on the color, and then choose my color like this, drag it there. Perfect. This time I want to change my button color to something like blue. Okay, so click on this pencil and then make sure you link it to maybe your shop page. Choose shop. After that, make sure on top you click on it, style. After click on style, go to color, so color here, and then choose your color. But I want to give it something like blue, so something like this. Remember to choose your own colors. Okay, and click on update. Good. So next, let's go down and see on sale products. So we need to create something like this and feature our on sale products. So we go back and delete this particular thing. So click here to remove it completely. Perfect. Now we have trending products, so we just we'll click here and change the trending products to on sale products. So after clicking on it, to your left you can edit it. So on sale, so something like this. Let's see, on sale products. You can change the color on top here. So you click it, click on style. Now click on text color, choose your color, and then drag it to the area you want it. So let's say we want this color, and below you can enter your color code if you know it. Okay, now below you can see this flower. Right click on this pencil and then click on delete, and beneath you can see some code or shortcut thing here, short code, sorry. So click on it, and to your left you can see the short code like this. Remove it and paste your own code. Okay, and this is the code on sale products. So I'll copy the code and then paste it. So copy it and paste it. So I'll have this code in a document form, and I'll link that for you at the description. Okay, so make sure it is like this. You can click on apply or update. Next is our customers review. Okay, so you see here, click on this pencil, click on start templates, and on top you can see blogs. Click on blogs. Now to your left you can see this drop down. Click on testimonial. Scroll down a bit. I can see this particular area, our happy customers, this one. Click on it, wait for it, and you can see import block. Click on import block, and this whole block will be imported onto your home page. And perfect. Now scroll down and you can see this default customers review thing. Just click here to remove it completely. Also, you see this one, click here to remove it. Perfect. Now we are done. You can update it, but let's see if all is set. So let's go back to the demo website, scroll down to that portion, and we have one last thing to do, and that is the background. So we need to change the background as well as the text. So the text color is already fine because it is white. So we click on the edit section, click on style, change the black to your own color. In my case, I'm giving it this color because this is the color I use on my demo website. Okay, for the tutorial, this demo website. After that, remember to edit the text here because you will be building a real project. Okay, you see, so this is demo data. You will be building a demo project, so you need to at least have something legit here. Okay, so enter it there. Good. After that, click on update. So we are done with the home page. It is now left with our footer area. Okay, so let's work on our footer area. All right, so to work on your footer area, you need to go back to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard, and then go to appearance and click on customize. Once you are there, because we'll be working with the footer area, you need to look for footer builder. Okay, so scroll down and you can see footer builder. Click on it, and you will be brought or redirected to a page just like this. Okay, so to edit your footer text, click on copyright. So click on it, and this is where you can edit your footer text, your copyright text, and a lot of things. So let's say maybe you want to change powered by to designed by, okay, or built by. So let's say maybe built by. Let me take you back there and say built by this theme author. Please remove it and put your company name here. So your name, let me just say Solomon. Perfect. Now you can click on publish, but before that you can go to design and you can change your text color. Okay, so let's change our text color to white, because on my demo website, if I scroll down a bit, you can see that my text color here is what? White. So after changing the text color to white, click on publish. Now click here to go back. Click on elements. Perfect. Now this is your footer builder. Okay, now to customize the footer area, let's say the color, you need to click on this gear. See this blue footer. So click on it and then click on design. Now this is where you give your footer a background color. Okay, so click on background and then let's choose, let's say this color. Okay, you can choose your own colors. Okay, so let's give it this darker blue, something like this, and then we'll click on publish. After that, if you go and take a closer look and then reload the page, it will change, or it should change. Okay, so let's wait for it, and you can see it has changed. But the problem is, it's like the testimonial area and the footer area have merged in a way, but personally I love it this way. I don't have problem, but you can give it a different color. Okay, I love it this way. So the final thing we're going to do is to list our products and see if they will start displaying on this area of the page under the on sale products, our featured products, and our recent products area. So to add products to your website, just click on your website like this, click on dashboard, once you are there, you see products, click on all products. Okay, so this is where we can view all the products on our or inside our website. Okay, and currently we don't have products, okay, ready to start selling something awesome. So you can click here to import products, sorry, create your own product, or click here to import products. We want to create our own products, so click on create product. Now the first one is your product name. So let's say iPhone, or let's say product 1. Okay, so product, dismiss it. So product 1. Now the description, this is where you enter your long description of your product. Okay, so where do I get my long description? Go ahead and enter your own description, but for me, I'm going to copy what is on the website and paste it Okay, so what I'll do is I will go to my demo website. Okay, so alright, so this is the website I'm currently building. Okay, or we are currently building. Please, my demo website is this one, so I think I'll remove this one and then go there. Alright, so this is the demo website. Okay, now I'll click on this product. And you can see I have some short description here, and this is demo text. So I'll copy it and then go back to where I'm creating my product. Okay, and then paste it here one time. Okay, some 3 times this way, and this will serve as my long description. On top you can see product image. Click on product image and then upload your product image. This product image is going to serve as the featured image, and it will be the first image people are going to see when they land on your website. So which one do you want to choose as your product image? Go ahead and choose your product image. I want to pick this one as my product image. Click on set product image, and this image will be set as my featured product, my featured image, sorry. Now the next one is your price, so your regular price. So let's say this phone is $50, like this. Okay, now if you want it to be on sale, you can enter $40. So that means currently it is on sale, so $40, but very soon it will go back to $50. That is what it means. Okay, so next is your short description. So you enter something short here, and after that scroll down a bit, and then you can set your product tags here. So if it's an iPhone, enter iPhone here. These are tags, so maybe iPhone, so iPhone followed by comma. Okay, you can enter that here, and after that on top you can see publish. Click on publish, and this product will be live on the website. Okay, so I'll publish this product so that we'll go and view it and see if it will actually appear at the home, on the home page. Okay, and the product is published. Okay, so let's go back to the website. So here, and I click on visit site like this, and then we'll click on it like this, and this is the website we are currently building. And as you can see, recent products, and this product is added as the recent product on the home page. Scroll down. We don't have a featured product yet. Don't worry, I'll show you how to create a featured product. Scroll down and you can see on sale product. Because this product is on sale, you can see it here. Okay, because it is on sale. Currently it is on discount, that's why it is appearing here. If we remove the on sale thing, so let me take you back there and show you what I'm talking about. So I'll scroll down a bit. From on sale, I'll remove the sale 40 and then update this product, and it will be removed from the on sale category. Now let's go back to the page and then reload it. So after reloading it, you can see the on sale products is now 0. We don't have on sale products because we remove that sale thing. It's not on discount anymore. You see that? Perfect. So I'm taking it back to the on sale to, let's say 20 for demo purposes. Click on update. Okay, so let me now go ahead and add all the products, okay, onto the website. So I'll click on top here, add new. I'll add one product, and after that I'll add all the rest of the products off screen. So you click on add new and you'll be brought to a page like this, and this is product 2. So let's see, so product 2, the long description is going to be like this. Set your product image here, so you click here, choose your image, and this time let's say we want this image. Click here to set your image. After that, give it price, so $200, but it is on sale, $100. Scroll down, enter your short description here, enter your tags here, and after that on top you can see publish. Click on publish. Okay, so after click on publish, this product will be listed on the home page, and that is it, guys. It's very simple. So let's go back to the home page and then we reload this page, and we will start seeing our products on the home page. So let's wait for the page to load, and already we have our on sale products here. There are 2, and when you go to the top you can see featured products, we have none, and recently added products we have 2, because we only have 2 products on the website. Now let me show you how to make a product a featured product. Okay, so you go to all products, to make a product a featured product. You see this star, just click on it. After that, just click on the stars, and those products will be added as what? Featured products. So after clicking on the star, automatically it becomes a featured product. Perfect. Now I'll do the same thing for the last one. Perfect. Now this is also a what? Featured product. Now let's go back to the website and let's reload the page, and after reloading it we can see products listed here as featured products. So let's reload the page. So we have featured products here. Is that not amazing? Perfect. So let me go ahead and add all the products on the website and show you how it will look like, the end results. And after that, we'll say bye-bye to this tutorial video. Okay. Alright guys, I went ahead and added 2 additional products to the 2 products we had, or we created previously. So there are now 4 products on the website. Okay, so let's go back and see how the website is now currently looking. So we reload the website. Now let's scroll down, and you can see we have 4 products here added. Recent products. Scroll down and we have featured products. There are only 2. Okay, when you continue scrolling, you can see on sale products, they are also at 4. Okay, so you can go ahead and add your products on your website. Unlimited products, the sky is the limit. And if I click on shop, it will list all the products I have on the website. So you can see there are 4 products currently on the website. Okay, so that's how you add products to the website. Now let me show you how to, or at this part of the video, we are now going to set up a payment method. So to do so, just click on, hover on WooCommerce, click on settings. Okay, now on top here you can see payment. Click on payment. Now we have some already installed payment methods on the website. So the first one is WooCommerce payment. So you can click here install to have it activated. Okay, the second one is direct bank transfer. If you want people to pay, to be able to make bank transfer on your website, enable it. And the other one is cash on delivery. You can enable it. So after enabling it like this way, these payment methods will now be available on the website. Don't worry, I'll show you how to add extra payment methods, something like Stripe, Paystack, or even PayPal. So to your right, you can see set up. Click on it. And you will be redirected to a page like this, and this is direct bank transfer. So people can make bank transfer. You see, make the bank transfer directly to our bank account. So below you can enter your bank name here, your account number, your bank name, your account name, your routing number, and a lot of things. After that, you save the changes. So if someone is trying to make purchase, this information will be shown to the person. All right, and the person will go ahead, or the customer will go ahead, make the transfer to this bank account using the details you provide here. Okay, now if you don't want that, but you want to add your own payment methods, all you need to do is to go to plugins. So click, you see plugins, click on add new plugin. Now this time we're going to add a payment method called Paystack. So Paystack like this. Now you see the second one, Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. This is the one I want you to install. So click on install. Now click on activate. You can go ahead and add your own payment method. So make a quick Google search about the payment method you want to add, or YouTube, watch a YouTube tutorial, and it will show you how you can add these payment methods. So after activating or installing and activating the payment method, go back to WooCommerce settings, click on it. And in case you have problems adding these things, I'll be here on the YouTube channel helping you. So that's why the comments area is there. Just go down there, leave your comments, and I will help you. And if I'm not able to help you, maybe it's beyond my control, then I will redirect you to the right resource. So click on payment. Now, after installing the pay stack, you can see beneath pay stack is here. Click on this to toggle it on. So you click on it. Click on it, and it is toggled on. Please, to your right, you can see finish setup. So after enabling it, you have to set it up. So click on finish setup, and you'll be asked to enter your API keys from the payment provider. Okay. Now beneath, you can see enable or disable. Make sure it is enable. Your title, you can leave it as it is. Debit, credit card payment. You can also add something here like this. Maybe you can add payment to it. So something like this. Okay, so make payment using your debit and credit cards. Now you see this test mode thing. Please disable it, because we want to start accepting live transactions on the website. And then payment options, click here. Now, do you want it to be a pop-up or a redirect? I want it to be a pop-up. Now you can enter your live keys here, your live secret and your live public key here, and you can also save their card. If you enable this, there will be an option for them to save their credit card. Okay, that way anytime they want to make purchase, they can retrieve the card details and make purchase just like that. Very easy. And after that, you click on publish. Okay, save changes, and the payment method will be enabled on the website. That is it, guys. It's not difficult. So in case you have problems doing that, just go to YouTube, okay, and search how to integrate PayPal to WooCommerce. Now, if PayPal is not supported in your country, just type your preferred payment method. So let's say Stripe. So Stripe to WooCommerce, or Flutterwave like this to WooCommerce. You see a lot of videos that will walk you through how to add these payment methods to WooCommerce, and you enable it on your WooCommerce website. It's very simple, guys. It's not complicated. Okay. Hey guys, you have successfully completed a full course on how to build a shopping or an e-commerce website. You are now a full WordPress website designer. Now, if you're a freelancer, I have something good for you, a good news. And that is this website, hoodly.com, is currently looking for new freelancers. I've made my first sale on Hoodly. So go right now, create account. It's very simple, and then upload your services here on Hoodly. Sit back, relax, and hope for the best. Thank you once again for sticking around. My name is Solomon, and if you are not yet a subscriber, remember to subscribe. That way, anytime content like this is released, you are notified. Have a lovely learning experience. Bye bye.